the whole journey na yung nangyari sa akin, I never felt that I had that sickness, cancer.
Really?
I never felt that because probably the support, the support system, again, my faith in God, number one. And then, nung naramdaman ko lang na nagkaroon ako ng cancer was when they took out my line. When they took out my line, sabi ko sa wife ko, parang, of course, my wife cried, no? Kasi sobrang, natuwa na everything's okay. The fact that they took out the line, no? Siyempre, may nakakausap kasi ako sa clinic na mga iba na, yung line nandun for 3 years, mga ganon. So, nung tinanggal nila, it's just, parang, wow, nagkaroon ako ng cancer. I'm one of the lucky one na na-survive. Probably, nakasulat sa statement ko, very consistent na maybe God has a higher purpose for me.
Hindi
diba?
yan, sigurado yan.
Diba? Yeah. So, yun yung na-realize ko lang, yung after, parang, survive ko, I made it. Parang ganun eh. Diba? So, yun, I'm here and I'm very thankful, sa lahat ng mga naging part ng journey sa mga sumuporta at saka mga nagdasal sa akin talaga.
The word Ironman means something different to you now also. Diba? I mean, marami ring player in different sports na natawag na Ironman. Basketball, track and field and all that. Medyo iba na yung definition sa'yo. We're not trying to make fun of it, pero wow, di ba? Yan na yun.
Actually, literally, Ironman yun eh. You saw my line,
yes,
it was direct to my heart, di ba? Gusto ko nga pailawan yun, di ba? Sabi ko nga sa'yo, gusto ko pailawan sana dito yun. Niloloko ko yung mga friends ko eh. Parang isa show na yung binigay sa akin na Ironman, probably meron talaga siyang meaning at first, no? Mayroon talagang purpose or merong...
Meant sa'yo talaga
Meant talaga eh, di ba? Plus, if you see my...
Your collection. Yeah.
I've been collecting ever since before pa nila akong tawaging Ironman. Talagang I'm an Ironman fan, no? Sa basketball, naging Ironman, and now
in life.
In life,
wow.
Parang parang na-highlight talaga.
Na-reinforce.
Na-reinforce na. That's na-reinforce talaga na Ironman talaga.
Hindi mo alam yung epekto mo rin, yung, that kind of inspiration you've had. Yeah. It's a great story, and again, we're all very happy for you, and we continue to pray for you kasi nga, meron pang mga tests.
Diretso pa yan,
the next few years. Now, let's talk about the basketball part. Part of your statements, you value everything that you have now. Everything. There's more important things than basketball now, than the game. But, you still want to play. Diba?
Oo naman.
So, I guess my question is, if you can parang verbalize, why is it so important to you to still come back to the game of basketball and not just play outside here, your house? I mean, you want to come back professionally, even with the perspective na nangyari na sa'yo. What does it represent?
I think that's the highest or the higher purpose na binigay sa akin ng Diyos, no? Kaya ako binigyan ng another chance. For me, this is my second life.
Right.
For me, this is my second life. And, the first life that L.A. Tenorio had was, very, kumbaga sa akin, perfect yun eh. At even, of course, may maraming mga adversities and challenges, no? But, with all that I had nung first chapter na yun, no? And this one, the next chapter, I want to play because I want to inspire, inspire a lot of not only basketball players. Kasi yung chapter 1, more on nakikita nila yung L.A. Tenorio as a basketball player. Oh, you inspire a lot of young players, aspiring basketball players who wants to play basketball. No? This one, I want to play basketball as a L.A. Tenorio again. But more than that, again, you mentioned more than basketball is to inspire a lot of people of who I am, like who is L.A. Tenorio, and then why does, di ba pag tinanong kita or tanongin kay ibang tao, paano ka na-inspire na ni L.A. Tenorio? Hindi lang nila, ang gusto ko is, hindi lang nila masasagot, it's because L.A. Tenorio is a good basketball player, he's very smart.
Yes. Beyond the sport na.
Beyond the sport na eh. I want you guys or yung mga taong, may inspire ko is, sa buhay itself, na, there's more than 'di ba, na makukuha natin sa buhay than what we're doing right now. Like even when you're, like for example, kung magtatrabaho ka sa corporate or entertainment or basketball or athlete, gusto ko ma-realize nila na mas marami ka pang pwedeng magawa or there's more to that, 'di ba? Doon sa ginagawa mo. Like ako, there's more things that I can do more than basketball na ma-inspire ko yung mga tao by doing what I am doing, no? So kaya gusto ko maglaro.
Let's end with you and your comeback, whenever that will be. What will dictate it? I'm sure, of course, your health, your body. What are you thinking of in terms of your timetable, and what are you expecting of yourself in your second basketball career, basically, as a pro? Because it's not going to be the same.
Yes.
Obviously.
Yes.
I wish it
I
were. I'm sure you
wish gusto ko rin sana makikita ko yung mga bata, makisabay ako sa kanila.
But part of your genius also, LA, that's the reason why you're the Iron Man, is you are able to navigate your career and the way you play throughout the years. Nakapag-adjust ka, nakapag-evolve ka with the game. So what are you looking at in your comeback? That we're all waiting for, by the way.
For now, I'm doing it slowly but surely. No?
Parang bundok din.
Bundok din, ganun din. Kasi, kumbaga, bago diba?
Back to square one.
Back to square one, tama.
Okay.
So, ako, I'm taking it one day at a time. Just like after this, I'm going to work out again. I haven't been doing what I did also, going back, no, just real quick, going back to throughout my journey. I didn't do anything regards with basketball.
Okay.
Wala.
Puro golf.
Puro golf lang. Kasi just, iba, golf and motorbike.
Yes, yes.
Nakapag-motor ako. Just to have a different parang scenery. No?
Okay.
Kasi I'm the type of person na when I want to focus on something for me to get better, I will do that. So when I'm doing the 12 session, the 12 cycle that I have, I focus on that. I focus to get better. For me, again, my goal is to go back.
Yes.
Diba? So now, the goal is here now. It's about to go back. So now, I'm focusing now
Eto na yun.
on going back to work.
Which starts right after this interview.
Right after this interview. Actually, nag-start na ako last week. Sobrang sore ng katawan ko. Para kung talagang bago talaga.
Okay,
so, and you're right, it's not gonna be the same. No, my timetable is probably a month or two. I'll do.
Wow, that's soon.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's soon. So,
great news.
And it's good thing na na-move pa yung PBA.
Tama, November 5.
November 5, tama.
Right.
So, good thing na-move yung PBA. So, I still have time.
Nabigyan ka na.
Nabigyan
Wala
ako ng
talaga
time.
nagla-line up para sa'yo, brother.
And actually, di ba? Tama. No? And nakakasabay ako sa practice ng Gilas minsan.
tama.
Just to help the team pag kulang. No, sumasabay ako doon sa system. And
Nangangati ka na.
actually, ngayon na yun. Nung una, hindi ko na yung 6 months na yun, hindi ko iniisip talaga.
Pero
Nung
ngayon,
basketball, sabi, namimiss mo ba yung basketball? No. I have to get better for me to go back. So now, yun yung goal ko now, to go back and do it slowly but surely. And you're right, it's not gonna be the same, but my goal is to play again to just to bring back my old self na LA.
Na competitive.
Okay. Pag naglaro ako, hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko alam kung doon pa lang natin malalaman kung talagang iba na eh. Iba yung LA sa dati. But definitely may pagkakaiba yan. Diba?
Okay.
But the way I play, sinabi mo, the way I navigate kasi sa court.
Right.
Pag nasa court kasi ako, nag-iiba ako eh. Parang yun yung willpower eh, na tinatawag. Na,
Alter ego ka pag nasa
parang
court ka.
iniisip mo, hindi mo na kaya. Pero ako, iniisip ko, kaya ko pa kasi bata. Yun yung willpower na pumapasok sa sarili. Competitive nature, yung challenge sa akin, yun yung namimiss ko ngayon. And yun yung gusto kong gawin. That's why I want to play again. And again, to show people na lahat ng nangyayari sa atin is just, bump in the road or parang hump lang sa road natin yan. And once na malampasan natin yung humps na yan, I'm sure mas maganda ang mangyayari sa atin. Kalalabasan, diba? So, yun yung goal ko. That's why I want to play. I want people to say, or I want people to see na kung ano man ang mangyari sa inyo, there's still a chance. If you live another day, there's a chance.
Right,
Every day,
right.
there's a chance.
That's the inspiration.
Every day there's a chance. And ito yung binigay sa akin na higher purpose na inaantay ko with my statement 6 months ago.
Correct.
Ito yung higher purpose sa akin, my second chapter of my life. And I'm not gonna take anything for granted.
yeah.
So, kaya every day, I will work again. Kahit sumakit man yung katawan ko every day. But again, you're right. It's not gonna be the same. And it's with my statement, but...
No, and when I say it's not going to be the same, that doesn't mean it's not going to be better, can it? Because it can be better.
I would love to,
right? No,
but a better version of
yes, exactly.
version of myself,
Yes,
not only as a basketball player, but as a whole. So, if I can, I want to take this opportunity again to thank everyone, lahat kayo, lahat na nandito, lahat ng nasa labas ng studio, lahat. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng dasal nyo. I always see your messages, Kung masasagot ko lang lahat, kung may time lang ako sagutin lahat, ang dami talaga. Sobrang, I'm very overwhelmed sa prayers, sa support, Thank you sa inyong lahat. And again, patuloy tayong magdasal because I'm still, in the process of recovering, diba? So sana talagang this next chapter of my life, sana maging hindi sana. I know that you guys will be part of this second part, the journey of second chapter of my life. So thank you so much. See you soon and sana see you in the arena na pag maglalaro ako. Sana i-sold out niyo pag maglaro
Sure
ako.
ball yan.
Hindi,
Sure ball yan.
Thank you to everyone. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, the real Iron Man, L.A. Tenorio, welcoming us here in this wonderful home here inside the game. Maraming salamat, brother.
Thank you again, brother. Thank you.